More on that later. Current temperature in Boston, 39. Washington, D.C. is at 35. The warm spot is Miami at 69 this morning. The coolant spot is Minneapolis at 21. Denver is also at 21, so there's a bit of a tie this morning. Taking a look at the temperatures closer to Boston, around 40 out towards keeping the islands, right around 39 towards the eastern half of Massachusetts, including Boston, and then Worcester generally in the mid-30s this morning, mid-30s in Vermont as well. Taking a look at my predicted temperatures for today, I'm thinking Norwood hits 40, Taunton hits 40 as well, New Bedford 39, Worcester hits 40, Westfield, they hit 38, North Adams 32, Fitchburg 34, and then Beverly 40. So generally right around 40 for today, except with the exception of the Berkshires. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, you notice these two storms. This is actually kind of a older analysis. These two storms have merged into one storm, and I'll show you that in a more in-depth surface analysis. This is the surface analysis closer to our area. You notice that storm right north of Cape Hatteras, right around the Virginia Beach area. That is where the storm is right now, affecting the mountains of Virginia with some snow, and then affecting D.C. with some snow as well. The rain snow line is right around D.C., affecting portions of Delaware and Maryland with some rain as well, and also affecting the northern part of the southern part of New Jersey with some rain as well. Now, this is a more in-depth model analysis, analysis of the surface analysis. This shows the exact location, and the exact location is just off of Virginia Beach right now. You notice these black dots. That indicates that those are observations. Those black dots indicate that it's mainly cloudy where those observations were taken. These barbs, so to speak, that is the wind direction. So you notice generally the wind direction is coming out of the northeast, and that is typical with a low pressure system, because generally low pressure systems, they rotate counterclockwise. We also have a cold flow, so that'll keep it snow for our area. This is the same surface analysis, just a little bit different. We had a real exact picture of where that low pressure is. As I mentioned, it's right off Virginia Beach. You'll notice there is some strong wind right now. This is roughly 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. That's what this wind barb is indicating roughly. So there will be a threat for some nasty winds. Now this is a cool image. This is the current satellite. So you notice how big of a moisture shield that this storm has, and that's why it could linger around for several days in our area. This is the current radar, a little more in-depth radar than the one I showed you earlier. This shows where the heaviest bands are setting up, and also shows there is some light showers in our area. And the current watches and warnings that are in effect, we have a winter storm watch in effect for our area. I expect that to be upgraded to a warning come tonight. We have a coastal flood watch along the coast. I expect that to be upgraded to a warning come tonight as well. We do have one winter storm warning. That is New London, Connecticut. They are currently under a winter storm warning. The difference between a winter storm warning and a watch is atmospheric conditions are atmospheric conditions support it versus it's imminent. And this is the same map I showed you yesterday. I expect the same exact track. Rain to the south. Our area points north and west. I expect it to remain mainly snow. Now this is my latest snowfall map. I'm expecting generally 4 to 8 inches plus across the entire eastern map, across Metro Boston. Then there could be a pocket of 6 to 10 inches that will probably set up right. Millis could be included in that pocket of 6 to 10 inches. And then once you work your way back, after this line, the snowfall totals drop to 3 to 6, and then 1 to 3 over the south coast of Massachusetts, where they will have a rain-snow mix that'll keep the totals down for them. Now, I'm still thinking that the wind could be fairly nasty, 25, 30 mile an hour winds across all of Massachusetts, with the exception of the coast, where it could gust up to 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. Could even see a little bit more than that. We could reach 60 or even 70 mile an hour winds. Can't be ruled out. So we will see some major power outages, some major wind damage, especially with this being a heavy, wet snow. You add that wind, that increases the chance for power outages. And then I expect there to be some beach erosion, especially along the elbow of the Cape, where we'll see some nasty waves. I also showed you this map yesterday. I'm still sticking to it. I think we will see 20-foot plus waves just off the coast. I think closer into the shoreline, we'll see 14+ foot waves, but that does increase the chance for major beach erosion, and the winds will be out of the southeast, mainly the south-southeast. Could see a brief direction change to the northeast, but for the mainly it's going to be the southeast that we will see those winds coming from. So facing beaches, especially southeasterly facing beaches, they will see some major erosion, as well as the tip of the elbow of Cape Cod. That is the area which sees the most erosion, in my opinion. Taking a look at the MHS 103 weather 7-day forecast for Wednesday, we have a high temperature of 40. That snow coming in later on tonight, and then for Thursday, we have a high temperature of 33, that snow lasting all day. And then Friday, high temperature of 40. That snow could linger into about midday on Friday. And then Saturday, we have high temperature of 47 with a mix of sun and clouds. That storm could be still throwing some clouds back to our area on Saturday. Now Sunday, we have high temperature of 44 with mostly sunny skies. And then 45 for Monday. We will see another another low pressure system, but I think that's going to be mainly in the form of rain. Thanks for joining us. I'm Steve Meteorologist Star Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to visit page Star Simpson MHS 103 weather. Which